Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Another video on matching vectors that's pretty cool. And it just, if you haven't, you need to watch the same name, but parts, you really need to watch all of them. I think there's 6 of them now. But we've got these vector lines, and if we click on our vector item and then hit match vector, you can see that all the arrows are going really probably which way you would want them to. Going in a line. But if you want them to go different directions, let's just back up here and find all the vectors. And these are our vector lines, and we can change the angle to 0 because they're all going different directions, but now they're going to be going the same direction. And now when we click on our arrow and match vectors, now all your arrows are pointing to the right. And you could do that. I'm hoping that we can do that with any. So you need to find your vectors, and then let's change it to well, he's got some presets. Let's just try 90 degrees. Hit apply, and now they're going all up. So if we take our arrow and match vector, now all the arrows are going up. Let's see how good this is. Let's find all the vectors. Let's go 22.5. Yep, it worked. It's not one of his presets, but it works. And then match vector. So now all your arrows are going up. This would be, to me, really beneficial if you had stars or something that really, really mattered. And pretty cool. I'll have a link to matching vector. Well, actually, you need to watch all the videos because these vectors were created with circles and a curve. And you really need to watch them. And there'll be links at the bottom of that video. How we made those vectors. I mean, how did we get these lines to make those works with circles with curves? And I'll just kind of go over that. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.